Hi guys, welcome back to Cloud and DevOps and Cloud channel. Guys, in today's session, we will see how to configure Jenkins on AWS console. Step by step, I'll show you that. Yes, guys, let me show you. Yes, open our AWS console. Yes, guys, I already have open in my case. Next. Yes, I'm in Mumbai region. So now I'm going to creating one more new server. Just now I have installed and configured and just I have terminated. So that is, and here you are seeing this one. Forget about that one. Now let me create one more new instance. Yes, now. So now I'm in Mumbai region. Now I'm in EC2 instance dashboard. Yes, if you want to see that, see guys. Okay. Yes, no one not running. Okay. Now click on that launch or instances. Now click on that launch instances. Now name the server, which one you want. Just I'm naming that Jenkins server. Try to avoid space. Just apply that hyphen or underscore. Next, if you want to install Jenkins on AWS, Amazon Image OS, yes, you can continue with this one. It's by default, it's selected. If you want to choose Mac OS or Ubuntu, Windows, Red Hat, or you can choose that. Yes, if you want some more, see guys. But in my case, I'm choosing default Amazon Linux. Now here you have to change this one. Yes, click on this one. Just to select the second one. Don't go through this one, guys. You'll get trouble. So you can't configure. So because it's a basic level, so you can't install some packages. Okay, so that isn't better to not better. You have to choose this one. Okay, yes. Now just wait. Okay. Now, guys, if you want to continue with the T2 micro, no problem. You can install T2 on T2 micro also. Okay. Just now we are doing trial practice now. So better to continue T2 micro. Need not to change this one. So next coming to key pair. If you already have key pair, yes, you can choose that. So in my case, I have that so many key pairs. But if you don't have key pair that, yes, I'll show you that how to create key pair. Just click on that new key pair and name which one you want. Yes, I'm DevOps Jenkins 1. Just I'm naming that. Yes, you can put whatever you want. You can set that. Yes. Okay. So maybe I have created so many keys. Maybe DevOps Jenkins one like that. So that reason I kept that one unique name. Yes. Now click on that keep here. Yes. Just leave the default .pem and RSA. Don't change this. Just click on that create key pair. Now, so I am putting in downloads location that key pair. Just save this one. Yes, now successfully we have created and downloaded that key pair. That's very important for future reference and connecting to this to instance. Now, network settings. Just click on that network settings. So default VPS, I'm choosing that. Subnet also automatically it will check that default. So auto assign public IP automatically it will enable. And security group also by default we are going to creating. So it will create default security group, or else if you have that existing security group, you can choose that. But in my case at present, I'm choosing default. It will create that new security group when we will launch that instance. Next, okay, security group name, this one. Or else if you want to set any different name, yes, you can set that cloud. Yes, in my case, I'm setting that cloud gen. Okay. Yes, now description, just leave that. If you want to change that description also, you can change that or else you can continue. Next, coming to port numbers, protocols. Yes, by default, we should have that SSH port number and protocol also. SSH protocol and port number. If you want to change this, yes, if you want to add another security group, yes, you can click on that add security group. So now you can choose here that protocol HTTP. Okay, HTTP or something. If you don't want that, yes, simply select this one for simply easy to process, just click on that all traffic. So here every port number will work. Okay, you need not to add manually and need not to add a separate port number and protocol. So it will work all traffic, all kinds of ports and all kinds of protocols we can access them by using this all traffic. And next, coming to security group rule, just leave the default and storage configuration. Yes, by default we are getting 8 GB. That is enough for our test Jenkins configuration. So if you want additional one, yes, you can click on that. But I'm not going to adding new one. This is enough for Jenkins configuration. So that reason I'm continuing with this one. Okay, yes, that's all here. Now this is the final step. Summary. Yes, number of instances, how many you want to one or two or five or something. Yes, you can add by adding number like this. But in my case, at present, I'm choosing only one. That is enough for Jenkins configuration, single server. Yes, I'm choosing that AMI and Amazon kernel, OS, and virtual server type T2 micro and firewalls. We are going to creating new group and the storage volumes also. Just by default, we are choosing 8 GB. Okay, this is the criteria information. Okay, guys. Yes, finally, if everything is okay, then click on that launch instance. Yes, now successfully we have created one EC2 instance. Now move to that EC2 instances location. If you click on this one, yes, we can go there. Just refresh here, we will get one more server. Now it's terminated. We can't access that one. Permanently we have deleted. Now it's updating to launch. Yes, now server is ready. Now just click on this one, select this one. Now click on that connect. If you want to connect, with a different SSS tools, yes, you can connect. You can use that Mobexstream, PuTTY, and some other any other SSS tools. Okay, but in my case, I'm using that Git Bash. Git Bash also one kind of SSS tool. We can connect through Git Bash also. Just now come here, just select this one and click on that one. Just click on that, automatically it will copy. Now move to your key pair downloads location. Yes, I have downloaded in the downloads documents location. So my key pair, latest one key pair is in documents location. Just click on that documents. Yes, make sure that where it's located. That's very important. Now click. Yes, put the mouse pointer. Put the mouse pointer in empty place. And before that, check that where is your key pair. See, this is my latest key pair. Now put the mouse pointer in the empty place. Click mouse right button and choose that Git Bash here. Yes, now maximize this one. Okay, now just paste that key pair, whatever you have downloaded, and URL. Just hit the enter. Just apply that YES for fingerprint confirmation. Yes, see guys, so successfully we have connected to EC2 instance. Now I'm going to configuring Jenkins from the root user. Yes, we can execute or we can configure Jenkins from EC2 user also. But if you want to set up from the root user, yes, you can enter into root user, or else yes, apply that sudo space -i to enter into the root user. Okay, now we are in the root user. Before that, EC2 user. Now see guys. Now clear the screen. Now apply that yes, update -y. If any updates are there, yes, it will update. No more updates, no changes are there. Okay, now, so we are going to installing yum install and git font config java-17 java-17 space -y. See guys, just wait. Yes, clear screen. Now, okay. So Java space -version We have installed 17. Git space hyphen version. Okay, guys. Yes, guys. If you want to apply that Java space hyphen version also, now it's working. See, guys. LTS long-term support. Java package we have installed. Now move to any one browser. Now open one new tab. Now apply that Jenkins download. Says that. Now click on that. This one download and deploy Jenkins. Click on here. Now be in the LTS side. So don't choose this weekly version. So 100% you have to choose this one LTS support. Yes, be in the left side one. Don't go right side and don't choose that right side one. Be in the left side one only. Now you can see here Red Hat, Fedora, Alma, Rocky, and CentOS. Just click on this one. Now copy these two links to download repo key and download key, Jenkins key. Just copy this one and paste here. Just hit the enter. Now successfully we have added key and downloaded key, and repo files also we have downloaded, and already we have installed Java. The next step, so install Jenkins space -y. Just hit the enter. We are downloading Jenkins. Now it's going to installing. Yes, successfully we have installed. Now, sorry. Now we are starting that Jenkins service. Systemctl start Jenkins. Just hit the enter. Spelling mistake, guys. Spelling. And guys, please wait here. It will take some time, 2 to 4, sometimes 2 minutes, 5 minutes. Sometimes it will take, and sometimes we'll get the timeout also. So better to apply once again that by the same command. Sometimes yes, we'll get that service exception also. Maybe the compatibility, Java compatibility issues. So now successfully we have installed and started service. If you want to check that systemctl status Jenkins. Sorry, something went wrong. Yes, spelling mistake. Systemctl status Jenkins. See guys, Jenkins up and running. But when you reboot this server, you have to start once again this Jenkins server. So if you don't want to start it once again, yes, just apply that systemctl enable Jenkins. So why man is getting issue? Okay, yes, now successfully we have started and enable service. You need not to start from the next reboot. Now move to browser. Now move to browser and go to your AWS console. Yes, now click on that instances. Just wait. Now, yes, already have selected. Now you can find that AWS EC2 instance public key. Select this one and click on that one and move to new tab. Just so this is not required. Yes, on the same page. Yes, apply that 8080 port number. See guys, successfully we launched Jenkins. Now we are going to installing plugins. Yes, select this one and copy that one. Now move to your terminal. Yes, now apply that cat space and apply that shift plus inside and hit the enter. Yes, you will get one encrypted key, initial admin password key. Yes, select this one, copy that one, and move to your AWS Jenkins console that browser console. Just paste here and hit that on continue button. No need to save this one. That's one-time password. Now, if you have that experience working with plugins, yes, you can choose that which plugins you are having the requirement, or else better to go through that suggested plugins. Now, in my case, I'm choosing that install suggested plugins. Yes. Now I'm going to installing plugins. Just wait, guys. Here I am also helpless. I have to wait until installing last plugin. Yes, guys, we have installed successfully and it's verifying that. Now configure username password. Yes, I'm setting that this is password and this is the username and full name. Yes, mail ID. Yes, save and continue and save and finish. Start with the Jenkins. So guys, successfully we have configured Jenkins on AWS EC2 instance. Okay, guys. So these are the steps to configure Jenkins. Thank you, guys. Okay, thank you.